Huawei signs MoU with Education Ministry to train 300,000 Pakistani students in ICT. Huawei is a global leader in innovative technology, renowned for its advancements in telecommunications, AI, and digital solutions. Over the years, Huawei has contributed to supporting Pakistan's digital journey, partnering with local institutions, expanding connectivity, and empowering youth with cutting-edge skills. In a groundbreaking step toward Pakistan's digital transformation, Huawei Technologies has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training. The MoU was signed under the chairmanship of Minister for Federal Education and Professional Training, Dr. Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui, between Mr. Nadeem Mahboob, Secretary of MOFVPT, and Mr. Ahmed Aziz, Manager Development at Huawei Pakistan. This partnership marks the first phase of Huawei's ambitious plan to train 300,000 Pakistani youth in cutting-edge ICT skills by the end of this year. The initiative aims to equip Pakistani students with advanced technical expertise in areas like AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and big data, fostering a skilled workforce ready to lead the nation's digital future. Nadeem Mahboob said,
"This partnership will accelerate Pakistan's IT exports and create new jobs, empowering our youth with the skills needed in today's digital economy."
Ahmed Aziz said,
Huawei is committed to bridging the digital skills gap through globally recognized certifications, ensuring quality training for Pakistan's youth.
Already, over 20,000 students across 15 universities have been trained in Huawei's AI, cloud, and cybersecurity courses. The program will train 300,000 youth, 60,000 in high-tech fields like AI, cloud, cybersecurity, and big data, and 240,000 in essential IT skills. This initiative extends to regions beyond Islamabad, including Azad, Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, through 1,300-plus labs, part of the Prime Minister's Youth Program. Starting June 2025, summer camps will kick off, initially targeting 50,000 students with courses in AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Huawei will support training and certification, while the ministry provides facilities and trainers, ensuring quality and impact. This partnership exemplifies Huawei's long-term commitment to Pakistan's digital future, building a skilled, innovative generation ready to drive growth and prosperity. Because Pakistan's digital future begins today. Together, shaping Pakistan's digital tomorrow.